best performance cars for 2024-2023 Audi S4. Amidst the anticipation surrounding the latest releases for 2024, the 2023 Audi S4 emerges as a prominent contender among the best performance cars of the year. Renowned for its potent powertrain, precise handling, and luxurious design, the S4 continues to captivate drivers with its dynamic driving experience and refined aesthetic. The 2023 Audi S4 boasts a design that seamlessly merges athleticism with sophistication. Its sleek lines, sculpted contours, and bold grille create a commanding presence on the road, while its LED headlights and quad exhausts hint at the car's high-performance capabilities. From its aerodynamic bodywork to its sporty accents, every detail is meticulously crafted to optimize both aesthetics and performance. Under the hood, the S4 houses a turbocharged V6 engine that delivers exhilarating performance and responsive acceleration. Paired with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system and advanced suspension technology, the S4 offers precise handling and agile cornering, allowing drivers to navigate corners with confidence and control. But the S4 isn't just about power, it's also designed to provide a luxurious and comfortable driving experience. The interior of the S4 is adorned with premium materials, sophisticated design elements, and a host of advanced technology features. From the spacious and ergonomically designed seats to the intuitive infotainment system and driver assistance technologies, every aspect of the S4's interior is crafted to enhance comfort and convenience. As one of the best performance cars for 2024, the Audi S4 represents the perfect balance of power and precision. Its sleek design, impressive performance, and luxurious features make it a top choice for drivers seeking a thrilling driving experience without compromising on comfort or sophistication. In a market filled with contenders, the 2023 Audi S4 stands out as a true icon, a symbol of Audi's commitment to performance, luxury, and innovation. With its blend of power, precision, and refinement, the S4 continues to captivate drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best performance cars of 2024 and beyond.